So yeah, this is gonna be cut number 3. Cut number 3. We gotta get ready for the overseeding. Yup. Just look at it, man. It just don't even seem like I even had a good like 2 months of green grass, because as soon as it got established, after I raked it all down, it's time to rake it down again. But I'm not gonna do like I did when I got that McLean. Real more. Yeah. So right now I think it's still at like about 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna just take it down to probably about a 1/4 inch. See, this is that spot, man, that was really just giving me really heck.
Really?
Now it wants to stay green after I slice it down. Yep. It's still thick. I'm scared to mess with it though. I'm scared to mess with it. Yeah. So, yeah, let me pull everything out, y'all. If it's cut down low enough, I might just go ahead and dethatch. I'm gonna try to see if I can take it down a little bit more. I'm gonna pull the rotary out, pull the Toro out first. See if I can just take it down a little bit more. And then bring out the McLean. Please be charged. Please be charged. Indicator, okay. Slap it in. Don't look like I'm getting nothing. I think that's it for the Toro. Uh-oh, got some action right here. We got a little action. Let's see right here. All right, let's go. Got 2 more. 1 more pass. Man, I really got to get this guy going. It's a lot of erosion. I'm gonna lay some dirt down today. Yeah. So right here, I'm we're good here. It's patchy. And got a little weeds back here. Of course, I'm gonna throw grass seeds back here because I need some plants to start growing in this dirt so it can sit still. You know, once I get something growing, some roots, it won't move like this does right here. You just done dug a nice little hole right there. I'm gonna pick up the little grass. We're gonna bring the McLean out. Let's see what the McLean gonna do. I got my belt repaired. We all good. How y'all doing this morning? I know I'm late with the content, man, you know, so I got behind, man, because all my little videos, man, they got tagged, they got flagged because of the music. And I thought I had some music, man, that was royalty free, man, with you know, I bought the Pro. Why I bought yeah, let's get to it, y'all. I'm done ranting and raving. See where you are now. Can we get a good cut out of you? It's up too high. Oh, wow. He's way up. All right, bring it down. Content creating. Not for everybody. Just saying. Where's my half set? My half set is. When in doubt, get the ghetto tool, the vice grip. Or when in need, should I say. Back that bad boy off. Take this off. This shouldn't be that hard, man. It just takes an act of Congress to get this thing to move. It's like, why I can't just take it up and down, man? I need to get it back to where it was in the beginning. I never did trust these numbers on the side, but I don't know. It could be accurate now. Probably this side here. This thing should have never been this high. Who takes their reel more up to 2 inches and expect it to cut? See, that's ½ inch right there. The ghetto pliers, y'all. Bad boy lean should have stayed at ½ inch. Never went above that. Let's do that. Let's see what happens here. Yep, she back up, way up. I can't even adjust it now. All right, let's see what she do here. Y'all. So, y'all see me rocking it. I think that's low as I'm gonna cut it because I don't wanna tear up my I don't wanna tear up the Bermuda, but I am gonna dethatch though. I'm just gonna lightly just rake everything up so I can get the grass seeds down. It's gonna take some time, y'all. It's gonna take some time.
It's good.
All right, so it's getting really bad, really bad. So let me back in focus here. So back and forth, inch by inch by inch. That's what I gotta do because it's very thick. It's taking forever, but it's gotta be done. Watch the end results, y'all. Y'all stay with me. I promise y'all, man. This gonna be, got the night shift, and I got all the other little goodies to go down with it. So let's keep going. Holding up, ain't you? Man, I'm never raising that in. I don't know why I did it, but she gonna stay right there. I'm just gonna put a torch to it so it don't ever move. It's gonna sit there at that height. A height that I have no idea what it is. Y'all, let's keep cutting, man. Let's keep on cutting. I'm getting tired though, man. Tired of them boys play. Let's see. thatch. Well, I got this thing out here. This Lawn Master. I'm finna dethatch right now. I don't have those spring. We're just gonna try to score the ground and pull up as much thatch. I didn't really do too much mulching. Since the last time I used this, you know, I bagged everything. But since I took it down with the Toro battery operated striper and the McLean real mower, I think I got a little bit of junk down off in there, but we're gonna see. I got it on the highest setting right now. So let's do this. Is anybody else doing this besides me in the cool season? I think my neighbor across the street, he's scalped his down, but I'm not sure if he's doing it or not, because he scalped it down pretty early. Try to get me a knot going on here so this thing don't come loose. If I get a little tension on it, and we get you in there, it's pretty tight. There we go. Let's try it. Oh, well, I forgot to mark the sprinkler heads. I think I just hit one. So I'm just gonna try to stay away from the edges right now. I'm gonna take it down one more. Let me see what it's gonna do. It's grabbing a little bit. I don't wanna do too much damage. Let's go down one and see what that do. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. All right, let's do this. I had to put the camera in the garage and zoom in on this. Pretty hot out right now. I think I'm good. Whew. Now, the common area over here where we are, the common area has it's got a lot of thatch. I just hit it just a little bit. See how that shit came up? And that's thatch buildup right there. See, I'm not picking up like that. This is all I'm getting right here. It's not a lot. So I did pretty good with bagging, you know? But that's some buildup right there. Yep. I think I'm good, y'all. I think I'm just wasting my time with this thing. I'm gonna try it on the sidewalk strip and see what that do. But we good. Put y'all back in the garage. I'm tired of losing content because the damn camera overheating. Guess I better stop cursing too, huh? Here we go. Yeah, I'm just wasting my time, man. I got some. I don't know. Maybe I need to go a little deeper. Oh man, it is there. I don't want to tear my grass up, y'all. I'm gonna take it down one more and see. Maybe that one was coming up because it's pretty thick over there. I don't want to tear my grass up, y'all. There it goes. There it goes. That's some thatch.
Here I come.
Oh.
Here I come.
Oh.
Almost done. I'm gonna take care of all this on the side. Probably tomorrow. All right, before I was rudely powered off because of a low battery. I got the front. Everything powering off. My metal just turned off. Yeah, I'm gonna do all this tomorrow. I'm gonna thatch all this up, the backside back there, and I'm gonna go get me a couple bags of soil. Try to get that taken care of. Nothing eroding. Like when it rained, I need something back there to hold the dirt in place. I got all this done. I did like 4 passes on this. It's crazy. This was thick. It grows really thick over here. Can't say the same over there. Some spots it is. Yeah, so sun is going down. We're running out of daylight. Running out of daylight. It's not enough daylight, y'all. Let's get this knocked out here.